The versatile BMW X3 delivers all-terrain performance, power, and efficiency in a rugged utility vehicle. It sets the bar for how intuitive and intelligent technology can be. In this video, we'll highlight some features of this X3 that help define the ultimate driving machine. A feature that makes your driving experience truly unique is your BMW ID. And adding your BMW ID to your vehicle is simple. Tap the BMW ID menu and select Add BMW ID. With your smartphone, scan the QR code on the display. After your profile has loaded, toggle the vehicle key to link the key to your profile. Select Finish to complete the setup and add your BMW ID to the car. You will need to use the My BMW app to complete setup on your mobile device. Open the My BMW app, follow the prompts as directed, and accept the Connected Drive Terms of Use to finalize the process. You're all set. Your vehicle is now added to the My BMW app. All user data and profile settings you've saved in the BMW cloud will be downloaded. Your personal settings are automatically activated when you open the car with a linked key. In the BMW ID profile settings, you can see which keys are linked to your profile, manage profiles, and even adjust lock screen options via the settings. If you have not already linked a key to your profile, tap the BMW ID menu, select Profile Settings, and then select the plus sign to link a key to your profile. You also have the option to link your smartphone as a digital key to your BMW ID. Additionally, you can add or remove a PIN to prevent unwanted access to your screen. Select the lock screen menu, click the plus tile to set a PIN, and follow the prompts. It is important to note, when a PIN has been added to a BMW ID, it must be entered every time to activate the screen, similar to how a smartphone operates. If you wish to remove your PIN, select the trash can tile on the screen and follow the prompts. Comfort is a key component of your driving experience. Let's take a look at how to get the most out of the climate control system. The climate control system is operated through the central display screen. Tap the fan icon on the bottom menu bar to access the full range of settings. For manual adjustments, you can choose from presets like front, footwell, or windshield vents, and make adjustments to fan speeds. Use the Max Defrost button for quick windshield defogging. This feature optimizes airflow and temperature to clear fog and refresh the cabin quickly. For effortless comfort, rely on auto climate control. Once you set your preferred temperature, the system automatically adjusts airflow, heating, and cooling settings to maintain a consistent cabin environment, no matter the weather outside. You can further adjust fan speed for maximum comfort. To set your desired cabin temperature, use the plus and minus icons. Your BMW features dual-zone climate control, so you and your passenger can set individual preferences for ultimate comfort. You can also use the sync button to keep the driver and passenger at the same temperature. Heated seats and steering wheel are key to staying warm during colder months, while ventilated seats keep you cooler in warm months. You can choose between 3 levels of intensity for each feature, or set the features to auto-activate based on outside temperature. Choose from a low setting all the way to very high. To direct air about the cabin, locate the vent controls placed throughout the dashboard and move them in the same direction you would like air to flow. To open or close a vent, locate the airflow intensity bar and swipe towards 1 to increase airflow and towards 0 to reduce airflow. The BMW X3 offers 5 levels of airflow intensity for each vent to help maximize comfort on your journey. The new BMW Operating System 9 offers intuitive touch control on the BMW Curve display. To configure the home background, swipe inwards from the right, then select My Modes or the map view of the BMW navigation system. Scroll through the widgets on the side to see all features like Intelligent Personal Assistant, Radio, Telephone Functions, Media, Destination Input, Vehicle Information, as well as time and date. Swipe right or left on the widget for more content and direct access to the most important features. Tap a widget to enter its menu. Swiping down from the top opens your personal tool belt for menu shortcuts and favorite functions. Here, you can easily store favorite radio stations or quick access to other media or functions all in one place. You've got an intelligent personal assistant right on board.
Hey BMW, find me the nearest coffee shop.
Here's what I found. You can say things like, "Take me to the first one." Which one do you want?
The first one.
Okay. Coffee stop, 82 Broadway.
This seamless technology builds a comprehensive profile over time that learns your preferences, including frequent destinations and climate settings, and can help you with everything from finding your nearest gas station to playing your favorite songs. After logging in with your BMW ID, go to the Personal Assistant app or click the widget on the control display. Here, you can see example commands and tips. Now, get the intelligent personal assistant ready. Activate online speech processing and data analysis for the best experience. For enhanced results, your intelligent personal assistant needs a good data connection. If you'd like, you can temporarily disable or turn off the auto start-stop function during a drive. Toggling the gear selector to S or L mode allows the engine to keep running during a quick left-hand turn across traffic or during parking maneuvers. To disable auto start-stop during a drive, swipe down from the top of the central information display and press the auto start-stop tile. Alternatively, you can press the Driving Settings menu button in the central control stack and select the Deactivate Auto Start-Stop tile. Lastly, utilizing the My Modes button, selecting Sport Driving Mode will automatically disable Auto Start-Stop. All in all, the X3 is impressive from all angles and offers technology that empowers you to drive your way. Adventure is calling louder than ever.